My name is Gary Leroy, and I'm the founder of TaxPro EZ. Our primary focus is in providing continuing education for tax practitioners, whether they are tax preparers or working in the growing tax resolution field. As an educator with nearly 2 decades as a practitioner faculty member for both undergraduate and graduate college students, my goal is to provide collegiate-level coursework for tax professionals. As an enrolled agent, I have a special passion for helping tax professionals prepare for the special enrollment exams that lead to the enrolled agent licensure program. I recommend starting with Part 1 of the exam sequence because it accomplishes 2 important objectives. First, it helps the practitioner get familiar with the testing environment, and second, it provides a 2-year waiver from the annual federal tax refresher course and the test for practitioners that seek the annual filing season program completion certificate. For this reason, I'm excited to introduce our new course for Part 1 of the special enrollment exam for the current testing season. Are you ready to take the next step to becoming an enrolled agent? Well, what is an enrolled agent? Enrolled agents are tax practitioners with technical expertise in taxation who have earned the privilege and are federally authorized to prepare taxes and represent taxpayers before all administrative levels of the Internal Revenue Service, including the areas of audit, collection, and appeals. Enrolled agents are in high demand. Enrolled agents are needed in small and large public accounting firms, law firms, corporate accounting departments, state departments of revenue, investment firms, banks, and in private practice. Competent, knowledgeable tax professionals are valued more than ever due to the continuing changes to the tax code. Enrolled agents are respected among tax professionals. Enrolled agents also have a broad range of opportunities in corporate, individual, or government employment. Enrolled agents can start their own businesses. Enrolled agents may also practice either full-time or part-time, and enrolled agents have unlimited earning potential. I often hear the question, "Show me the money." Well, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, CPAs with fewer than 3 years of experience earned anywhere from about $45,000 to $61,000 per year. However, according to Robert Half, enrolled agents with 1 to 3 years of experience earned anywhere from $51,000 to over $85,000 per year, depending on the size of the firm that they work for. So how do you become an enrolled agent? Well, the path to becoming an enrolled agent is fairly straightforward. First, you pass all 3 parts of the special enrollment exam, the C. Part 1 is on individual taxation, Part 2 is on business taxation, and Part 3 is on representation, practice, and procedures. Next, you apply for acceptance. You apply for enrollment and pay enrollment fees electronically at pay.gov or by downloading Form 23 and mailing the completed form and check to the IRS. You must also pass the taxpayer compliance review. You pass the taxpayer compliance check to make sure that you have filed all necessary tax returns and there are no outstanding tax liabilities. So how our program works and how it's different. Our program is for 5 weeks of live online content for Part 1. 5 2-hour sessions cover Part 1 of the special enrollment exam, and for this you earn 10 hours of continuing education credit to go against your annual filing season program or against any other accreditation that the IRS may determine. Second of all, there's a cumulative quiz at the end of each session that's taken at your convenience between sessions. Next, on Friday afternoons, we'll have a Q&A session every Friday. The times will vary to allow people with complicated schedules to participate. Recorded sessions will be available online after a 24-hour delay. And Passkey EA Review Book is included at no cost. Part 1 for the individual taxation is a $75 value. And finally, there's a 4-week online testing system that's hosted by Passkey that is a $25 value, and that will be made available to you immediately after the conclusion of the 5th session. The total cost for our package, including all materials, is just $329. We also have a special offer for early birds. Be among the first 25 registrants, and you'll receive access to our on-demand 2-hour ethics course, which will provide you 2 additional hours of continuing education for this current year.